Could the North Valley or North Phoenix be the new Scottsdale or the new hot zone to live? Stay tuned to this video and you'll find out. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Josh Zuniga, your local real estate specialist here within Phoenix and Scottsdale, Arizona. And today we have some really big and exciting news, and we're gonna revert back to the TSMC building project, the semiconductor over here in North Phoenix, which was a $40 billion project, and they just slated for another $7 billion to be infiltrated into the North Phoenix area. Now, let me tell you why that is so huge, okay? They just announced this a couple weeks ago. The Mac Real Estate Group spent more than $56 million to win the auction for the land, which we will be known as the Sonoran Oasis Science and Technology Park. The development can include up to 8,900 residential units, as well as industrial, retail, and office space. TSMC has committed $56 billion to the Phoenix campus with a potential investment of $120 billion. That's insane, guys. Listen to this. The company is expected to create at least 10,000 permanent jobs, with up to 80,000 jobs created in Phoenix MSA by the TSMC business economy, or the ecosystem, okay? Now, why does this matter? The influx of work associated with TSMC's $65 billion investment in the semiconductor fabs is expected to drive demand for commercial and residential development across various sectors, okay? So big picture on this, since 1987, Mac-related entities have invested in or developed more than 10 million square feet of properties in Phoenix. The infrastructure work on the Sonoran Oasis and Technology Park is starting as soon as 2025, and the industrial use is expected on the western portion of the site, and mixed use like multifamily retail and office space on the eastern section. Guys, so why is this important and why is this going to be huge? If you take a look at some of the actual drawings and some of the renderings that we're going to show to you, we've already showed, this place is going to be phenomenal. Not only is it going to be huge for economic growth, it's going to bring all kinds of new infrastructure, just like I was saying, in the retail, in the commercial space, and the industrial space. I personally live 10, maybe 15 minutes away from this already, and we are already seeing a huge inbound migration. We're already seeing more investment. We have a new hotel coming up here. We have new restaurants that are coming in. We have a new grocery store that's coming in. They're building another retail center just off the 303 and off the I-17 for all of this demand that's going to be happening. So what I'm saying by that, could this potentially be the new Scottsdale? It definitely could. It has the potential because they're going to bring in new shopping centers, and all of that residential that's going to be surrounding it is going to be driving a lot of this economic growth. I'm excited to see that. If they're starting construction in 2025, we're literally just a couple years away to see this monstrosity and see this huge investment of what they're saying, $120 billion of what it's going to do in this area over the next 10 years. So I'm super happy about it. I live in this area. I live in the West Valley. For us to see more shopping and to see more life come to this area, because there's a lot of dirt and there's a lot of opportunity, we are going to see some tremendous growth. And if you guys are looking to move to Arizona, if you're in Arizona and you want to move to these areas, I strongly feel like this is going to be a good investment for the future. If you want to start buying properties, or if you want to move to this area, please reach out to me. You have all my information in the description below. And if you have any other information that you want to actually reach out to me about, make sure to contact us. We're always here for you. We want to make sure that we provide enough value and enough information for you to make your real estate decisions. But until then, guys, we'll see you on the next video.